guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out curling our hair with bendy straws, and I'm really scared to see how this turns out. And if you guys like these kind of videos, want to see more of me, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so to start out, all we're going to be needing is some straws, some elastics, and I keep my my stuff organized like this. So I have my ponytails, my elastics, and my bobby pins in this little container. So you're going to need that, and then you're going to need some type of like gel and like hairstyling gel, or you could use mousse, but I'm just going to be trying out these 2 Chic Brazilian Keratin and Argan Oil hairstyling wax from Giovanni Eco Chic Hair Care, and the bedhead what is this, a texture paste? Yeah, texturizing paste. So I'm just going to be trying out one of these and seeing which one works better, because honestly I don't know. And then you're just going to need a bottle to wet your hair if your hair dries fast. So let's see how this turns out. I think I'm gonna start from the top of my head. All right, so I think I'm actually gonna split my hair. So I'm just gonna go like right above my ears, go like this, and we're going to tie it up in a little bun. All right, so now I'm left with these 2 sections, and I'm just gonna start spritzing it, I guess. Oh my god, does this not even work? I took it from my mom's lizard. I just sprayed the cat. Whoops. And she looks so mad. God, I'm so sorry. She's so mad at me. I'm sorry. She hates me now. So I'm just gonna be wetting my hair. Look at her, she's in the background. Look at her, she's like looking at me and giving me dirty looks. She's like, who are you talking to, you crazy lady? I think I'm normal, I think. So I'm just gonna be separating this. I guess, yes, this is the one we got out of the dumpster. It doesn't really have a smell, it looks really pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but it almost looks like it has like glitter in it. So I guess let's just, ooh, it's kind of thick, like really thick. So I guess I'm gonna, oh gosh, ew, ew. All right, I guess I'm just gonna like, what if this makes my hair really gross? All right, I guess I'm just gonna take some of this. Oh, I don't like the way this feels, ew. All right, so I'm just gonna be taking a little strand just to like test this. Oh my God, I don't like the way this texturizing. Oh, it's a wax. Whoa. It's gonna start like right here, and ooh, just gonna start doing it really, really tightly. All right, so hopefully that wax. Oh my God, this is so much work. All right, we're gonna take some more of this wax, and we're gonna wax those. Oh no! All right, all right, all right, all right. We will figure this out. Okay, we're just gonna take that. We're going to bend the straw like that, and then bend it like that. All right, we're just gonna do this really, really, really good using our elastics. We're just gonna. Why are you looking at me like I'm crazy, Belle? I'm not crazy. All right, so I would definitely say if you have the bedhead texturing paste, I would definitely use that instead, and work from the bottom up, and do it super tight, and it works a lot better. All right. Alright guys, so it's only been 10 minutes and I've only gotten the bottom half done and I'm not even halfway done. Oh my god, this is so much work. Guys, so I did this side of my head and this is all I have left to do. This is exhausting, honestly. This is so exhausting, but I just started tying them. I don't even, the rubber band, those aren't. And doing the back is super hard and I would definitely avoid doing bigger chunks just because it gets loose like this and in the back. So basically what I started doing was just spraying the ends really good. That way it sticks. And then I brush it through. That way there's not any knots. So I'm just taking my paddle. We're almost done. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Holy crap. Woo, 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 woo. Yes! This is hot. I don't want to fall out, so let's just start taking these out. I'm gonna start from the bottom. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys like this. My hair is curly and I tried to loosen them up just a little bit, but yeah. If you guys want to see more videos like this or want to see more of me, make sure to like, subscribe, share the video, and remember, you guys are beautiful and I love you guys.